members of www.reginevelasquez.net forums, KNN Fans Club, mga taga San Mateo Rizal, mga taga Tondo Manila, taga Malolos Bulacan, mga taga Frisco Quezon City, at ang Barangay Melenje. Welcome po. Alright.
Nag-iisang Reyna, nag-iisang Regine. Ngayon, para malaman natin kung ano nga siya sa tunay na pagkatao niya, meron tayong mga kakontsaba. Yan, pinapunta namin sila ngayon dito sa studio.
So we will know kung paano ba sino ba talaga si Regine nung hindi ka pa Regine Velasquez.
Okay.
No, nung ordinaryong
I'm really getting nervous right now.
Okay.
Isa-isa kong tatawagin, ha?
Okay.
Susan Galvez.
Ay, oo, teacher ko yan.
Teacher mo yan. Okay.
Dating teacher ni Regine sa elementarya.
Hello.
Siya daw ang nagtahi ng mga sinuot na gown ni Regine nang sumali ito sa bagong kampyon.
Okay.
Okay, let's call on Maro Garcia. There's Maro.
Wow.
Halos lahat ng show si Regine mula 1992 hanggang 1996. Kasama niya si Maro.
Nagsimula siya bilang production assistant at nang lumaw
She's
naging
my
production.
friend. She's one of my friends.
She's also your friend. We also have Joyce Villanueva Serrano.
Ang unang personal manager ni Regine. So, ang mga pinapakilala po namin sa inyo ay yung mga nakasama ni Regine na nag-umpisa pa lang ang kanyang career.
Reg, we also have Bambi Santos.
Siya naging personal manager din ni Regine.
Kung nasa prime line pa si Regine, yes. And then, of course, we have Karen Isorena with baby Ariana Micaela.
Okay.
Asawa siya niya po yung stage manager ni Regine.
At si Ariana, inaanak ni Regine.
Yan. And then,
Meron pa.
we also have Lisa Camos.
Ay, meron pa?
Meron pa. Kukumpletuhin natin ito.
Production manager ng first variety show ni Regine.
I have not seen these people.
Taon sila
Tagal mo na hindi nakikita yung mga yan, ha? Alright, siguro magandang simulan natin, eh. Kasi teacher sa elementary si Susan. Ma'am Susan, describe Regine nung
Naging
estudyante
teacher
pa
ko siya
siya.
nung grade 5.
Grade 5. Grade 5. Ano si Regine nung grade 5?
May simpleng pangarap na hanggang ngayon siguro ginagawa pa rin niya. Ang pangarap lang niya ay simple, makapagsilbi sa kanyang mga magulang.
Nabanggit po na kayo tumatahi ng mga gown niya nung siya
Yes,
sumasali
yes.
ng mga amateur.
From barangayan to bagong kampiyon. Kasi po talaga siguro ganun na mahal namin siya.
Tsaka wala kaming money pang paggawa.
Yes.
Ginagawa niya.
Because I am a dressmaker by vocation.
Unang sabak mo from Teen Pan Alley, prime line na kagad, ano? Okay.
It was being handled by Ronnie Hinares.
Okay. Kumusta siya nung nag-uumpisa?
Anong naaalala mo kay Regine? Bago pa siya noon.
Ang payat-payat niya noon. Saka, saka very conscious, ganon. Pero full of talent, you know, even at that very young age.
How old was she then?
Mga 17. Yeah. But you see, I'm very lucky to have seen Regine like evolve, you know. In the beginning, she was just a talent, you know, with a great
one of
voice.
the,
Yeah. And I saw her grow through the years and become she wants for herself, and later on she started directing herself and she's a producer now, you know. So but I saw it in her even as a child. After Teen Pan Alley, I started doing all her big concerts for Primeline.
Yes.
Joyce and Bambi were her personal managers at Primeline.
Actually, more than anybody in the business, those two right there would really know me. And Maro over here in Karen also, because actually lahat kayo kilala nila ako dahil yun nga nakita nila akong lumaki. Except that si Joyce kasi at si Bambi, they're always with me.
Okay. Bambi, anong topak niya nung bata ba siya? Between 17 and 20?
That is Joyce's.
Joyce.
15 pa eh.
15.
15?
Lapit-lapit mo yung mic mo.
I remember when
Nagko-commute pa sila ni Mang Jerry ng MRT. Ay, hindi pa, LRT.
LRT.
Tapos magbaba sila from Escolta to Prime Line. From the Star Force, ang katas ng Star Force natin nun, yung Corolla mo na
Corolla
puti.
ko.
Kasi hindi pa masyadong sanay sumakay sa car.
Oo.
She rolled down the windows. Parang yung aso nakaganyan dito.
What about you, Maro?
Yun, mahilig siyang kumain. Very simple lang talaga. She likes to sleep.
Aha.
She likes to read magazines. Yung
Aha.
homebody siya.
May mga taong gustong magsalita rin tungkol kay Regine.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start with
On VTR?
Nanette Inventor.
Well, Phil,
Thank you very much, Mr. C.
kwento mo sa amin kung bakit may impact sa karir mo si Nanette Inventor.
One time I remember Joyce, we went to Hong Kong for the Asia Pacific Singing Contest. And one of the girls in Primeline gave me this sobre with a letter. Tapos binasa ko, meron siyang $50 for me.
Pabaon.
Pabaon. Sabi na nakalagay doon parang, ayan, may parang $50 para makapag-shopping ka sa Hong Kong. Tapos nakalagay pa nga doon, huwag mo sabihin kay Mang Jerry. But she was so sweet and she would lend me arrangements. Actually, nung nagsa-start ako, Joyce, ang daming tumulong talaga sa akin.
We will have more of Regine and Friends.